Mini John Cooper Works will compete again at this year's 53rd edition of the 24 Hours race at the Nürburgring. Last year, Mini achieved a spectacular triumph in the SP3T class of the race with the near-production Hash 317 Mini John Cooper Works Pro. The so-called Green Hell offers one of the toughest tests in motorsport, with fast straights, demanding curves, and significant elevation changes. The successful cooperation with the Bulldog Racing team will also continue this year. Mini X Deus spectacular appearance. At the starting line of this year's race, the Mini John Cooper Works will attract attention with a specially designed livery, while the Bulldog Racing team will be exclusively dressed in the brand's new season collection. The partnership is a glimpse into something the two brands' Mini X Deus are building toward. Our models have always been characterized by the combination of design and dynamics. Our Mini John Cooper Works, which will compete in the 24 Hours race at the Nürburgring, takes this combination to the next level. Thanks to this collaboration with Deus Ex Machina, we are setting new, exciting impulses for Mini fans and motorsport enthusiasts. Both brands are characterized by creativity and attention to detail, which allows the creation of exclusive designs with a distinctly individual style, explains Stefan Richman, head of Mini. Racing DNA meets exclusive design. For this year's 24 Hours race at the Nürburgring, the high-performance orientation of Mini John Cooper Works is combined with the passion and craftsmanship of Deus Ex Machina. The design team has pursued a consistent black and white approach in the design of the vehicle livery. The enlarged Deus logo dominates the design as a graphic element and becomes more than just a wordmark. The unconventional, playful handling of the brand presence is typical of Deus and gives the Mini 24 Hours race car its visual identity this year. The reduced black and white color scheme ensures that additional elements such as starting numbers or team logos are harmoniously integrated into the overall image. Hand-drawn logos on windows and other surfaces underline the raw conceptual character of the race car, making it appear like a moving sketchbook. This is intended to suggest that the Nürburgring 24 Hours race car is just a foretaste. It is the perfect first milestone in the Mini X Deus cooperation. For the design of the race car livery, Mini Design collaborated with DesignWorks. The BMW Group subsidiary has elaborated the creative idea of Deus in detail. Successful brand collaborations arise when partners inspire and drive each other forward. With Deus, Mini and DesignWorks, we were able to unleash a remarkable design dynamic. The Deus livery of the Mini John Cooper Works at the 24-hour race at the Nürburgring is just the first proof of this, says Holger Hampfer, head of Mini Design. Mini continues its racing heritage. With its appearance, Mini is continuing its long-standing racing heritage. The brand has been considered an underdog in motorsports from the very beginning, and yet it has written motorsport history. The 1964 Monte Carlo Rally became a shining moment for the British outsider. With its transversely mounted front engine and front-wheel drive, the classic Mini was the epitome of a practical small car and proved to be a successful race car thanks to the ingenious racing engineer John Cooper. The victory in the Monte Carlo Rally was not a mere whim of fate, but the result of meticulous work. This was followed by two more victories in the famous rally in 1965 and 1967. The tradition and passion for Mini's racing heritage is still palpable and tangible in the current models. The latest Mini John Cooper Works models are characterized by their aerodynamic precision and performance-oriented four-cylinder twin-power turbo petrol engine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest Mini news, advice and reviews.